Our dessert, guys, we have that, and so yummy. Wow. Hi, so today we're going to make an apple crumble. Yes, do you hear me? Apple crumble. So we're going to use 6 apples. For our ingredients, we're going to use a brown sugar. So this is our brown sugar. We're going to use a cornstarch. And butter. Cinnamon. Nutmeg. Biligay dito, guys. We'll mix this here para hindi siya to take out this lemon para i-mix natin yung ano dito. Okay. So what we're going to do here is to add sugar. Sugar. Oops. Sugar, and I think the cinnamon is. Let's see. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Heavy cinnamon. So we are going to add. Siguro marami siya. Okay. We'll make it marami. Cinnamon is good for our health anyway. And I have here cornstarch, guys. Yes, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of starch. So let's see, 1 tablespoon of starch. How about gagawin natin ng 2 tablespoon dahil maraming ano. For our lemon, guys, we have to use, if it's big, just use half of your lemon. And mixed it. So we have to put this in a low water. So we have to mix this first. Looks good already. Okay guys, we're going to make our apple crumble. So we need 2 of our flour. I like, our, what is that? Our pie, apple pie is ready. So that's 2. Brown sugar. So yan. Oh. You know what's this, guys? This is the nutmeg. So 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Just mix it. So this is our best instrument. Yeah, this is too. Oops. Yung matitigas na butter, guys, ayan, hindi na siya titigas dyan. Talagang i-boldo siya nito. This is with apple with lemon, cinnamon, and starch. So ayan, iano natin na ang starch na maluto. Stir and stir and stir and stir para yung ano niya, para yung cornstarch niya ay maglagkit. Pag smooth na ang cornstarch, guys, that means it's luto na siya. All we have to do is just to incorporate this and wait for a while to be cooked. Put a little bit there para hindi siya didikit. So yan siya. And then we have to add all this. cover it with our crumble. Time it for 40 minutes or 50 minutes, let's say. So this is our crumble, guys. Look at that, still bubbling. So hot. This is an apple crumble. Guys, our dessert is ready. You come over here, people. Yummy, yummy. And guys, our dessert is ready. Nothing to do but just eat. Apple topped with crumble and topped with ice cream. So yummy. So this apple crumble is our favorite dessert. Everybody's fighting for the crumble.